Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last week I uploaded my IPSY PR unboxing where I did the Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. And in the comments of that video, so many of you said you were interested in seeing a paid versus PR. How would my paid variation that I pay for with my own money stack up against the PR box? So today we're going to be looking at the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. Two different variations. I'm going to quickly review the one that I already unboxed, and then we're going to unbox the one that just arrived, which is the paid box that I pay for. And we're going to see which one is actually better. Do influencers get better boxes? Let's check it out. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day. That'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. I am so sorry. Words are hard today. I'm going to be stammering over my words, but we're just going to deal. If that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. So quick recap of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus that I got in PR, just so when we're talking, we know what we're explaining and what we're comparing to. The 5 items were the dermalex Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Good for all skin types. It's going to be an overnight serum to help repair the skin. The Murad Renewing Eye Cream, which is one of my holy grail favorite eye creams of all time. I've gone through so many bottles of this. I've been recommending this on my channel for years, so if you've been watching me since I started my channel in 2017, I think we're going on almost 5 years, you will have heard about this many, many, many times. The Viseart, I always hear it pronounced differently, Premier Petite Un Palette, which I am very familiar with their shadows. Amazing formulas. I did promise to do a tutorial with this. I did not forget about it. We're going to do a fall tutorial with this eventually. I'm just not there yet. I also got a Tarte Sugar Rush eyeliner and the Il Makiage mascara, which I still haven't tried, but I will. That is the variation that came in PR. Now we're going to jump into unboxing my paid variation, and let's see how they stack up. So, same bag, now I have 2 of them, so I'm actually quite happy about that. The paid boxes come with the theme card that gives you a little bit of information on everything, which I think is really cool. It's also teasing that next month is the Glam Bag X Huda, so I'm actually really excited about that. There's also a 111 Skin free product for anybody who signs up, so I do have a link in my description box if you want to subscribe to IPSY, and you'll get a $135 hyaluronic acid serum. That is not a commission code. I don't make any money off of it, but it does give me some points to use in their shop, and then I end up throwing those shop products into giveaways, so it all helps you guys in the long run. The first item out of my Glam Bag is the dermalex Self-Esteem Serum, so now I have 2 of them. It is, again, good for all skin types. It is a peptide overnight treatment. It's going to help with pores and fine lines, and it's really just good for the whole face. So eventually I will end up using this. Like I say in every skincare video, once you start using it, it'll take 28 to 60 days to see results. So I'm currently using certain products. I want to give those time to really do their work, so I'm not going to open this and start this until I'm ready to use it. Also, the little open jar here says 12 months after you open it, it does expire. So rather than open it and have other things expire, I'm going to wait until I'm ready to open it and use it so that nothing goes bad and expires before I'm ready to finish it. The next item out of the box comes from the brand Mozzie. It is the Balancing Multi-Effect Facial Cleanser. Rosehip seed, citric acid, red seaweed, and geranium flower. Moisten your hands and face with warm water, emulsify between your palms, gently massage over the entire face and neck, and then rinse thoroughly. This is going to help with fatigue, aging, stress, and toxins, and it is meant to reverse aging, restore hydration, balance the skin, and add glow. Looking at the ingredients, Irish moss, flower oils, there doesn't seem to be anything bad in here. There's citric acid, so there's a decent amount of vitamin C, which will lighten, brighten, and tighten the skin. Also add a little bit of glow. So I'm not, opposed to a product like this. I currently have about 1,000 cleansers open, so I'm going to wait to open this. But it's a cleanser. Cleanser's not really one of those products I get excited about in subscription boxes. There are very few exceptions to that. I do love, so in BoxyCharm, several times I've gotten the Glam Glow Super Mud. I love that cleanser. But new cleansers, typically it takes a lot for me to love. The next item comes from Ofra, and this is the Cool as a Cucumber Smoothing and Mattifying Moisturizer Primer. This uses macadamia nut oil and coconut oil, so I'm actually not able to use this. I'm going to have to drop that in an upcoming giveaway. I've mentioned this on my channel many, many times, but I have a severe sensitivity to coconut. It's not an allergy. I'm not going to die from it, but I do get very breakout prone with coconut. It is a very comedogenic ingredient, so it is known to clog pores, so it's something I tend to avoid. It's also known to give me, small little hives and bumps on my face. So I do avoid coconut oil in skincare. It's fine in anything I'm eating, and it's fine in anything topically, just not on my face. So definitely going to unfortunately pass on that. The next item is from Glow on Fifth Beauty. This is the Keep It Handy Avocado Hand Cream. Doing a quick look at the ingredients. I'm pretty familiar with ingredients in skincare, and I can't pronounce most of these. There is shea butter in here. There is rosemary leaf extract. There's also camellia. So there's going to be, and taurine, cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free. I'm going to give this a try. I just recently opened a hand cream. It was the hand mask from Fenty Beauty. I've been using that in conjunction with the Caudalie Hand Repair Hydrating Moisturizer for hands. So I've been using that. Once that is done, I will be trying this one out. But again, hand creams are not really something I get excited about. And the last item is from Goldfaden MD. This is a Solution Mist RX Daily Nutrient Face Mist for dull and dehydrated skin. This uses water, citric acid for vitamin C. There's xanthan gum to thicken it. No irritants or allergens here. There's glycerin for hydration, but this gives your skin an extra boost of minerals and nutrients anytime it feels stressed or dehydrated. Spiked with super antioxidants, skin-boosting probiotics, potent plant-based stem cells, vitamin C-rich kakadu, plum, and aloe leaf and kale sprout water. Your skin will immediately feel refreshed, revitalized, and comforted. Mists are those things where I never need more, but I always want more. So I'm going to open this and try this right now. Okay, so it's a powerful mister. Ooh, that is a very powerful mister. Be careful and hold it like pretty far away. It feels nice. I mean, it feels wet and it's nice and cooling. I love a good mist, like all the time. Mists are probably one of my favorite categories of product in general. I have probably like 6 mists in front of me on various sides of my desk and filming setup at all times. So there's always a bunch of mists here. So I'm always excited to have a new one. Now I do want to touch on 2 things. One, in my paid box, I know I got to do choices. So I got to pick 3 of these 5 products. And I'm going to be completely honest, I was not thrilled. None of the items that I got in this side were choice items. So like I did not pick the dermalex in either serum. But of the 4 items here, the eye cream, the palette, the liner, and the mascara, none of them were choice items for me in my paid box. So I had no option to get any of those. So of the 2 items that they chose for me, which was the dermalex and the hand cream, which I would not have chosen, I chose the cleanser, the primer, and the mist. I probably should have looked at the ingredients before I chose the primer, but unfortunately I didn't know there was coconut, so that's my problem. I do really like the mist. I'm going to continue to use that. But other than that, these items are really lackluster and I'm not super excited about them. So that being said, I definitely think my PR box was better. I've watched a bunch of people do paid versus PR in the past, and I don't think that there is necessarily a consistent trend where PR is better than paid boxes or vice versa. I think it really just comes down to the box and the individual. I know plenty of people who are really into skincare and primers who would love to get my paid box, but I personally really preferred the PR box. I can't wait to play with all the makeup. And again, the eye cream itself is a holy grail staple of mine that I already know and love. So for me, I just think that was a better box for what I like. So let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear what you think. Which IPSY was better? Do you prefer the paid variation, which had all of this stuff right here, the cleanser, the spray, and this? Or did you prefer the PR box, which had the makeup with the eye cream and that same serum? Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!